Hello, my name is Keland Hamilton, and I am a junior and an English major at the Alabama A&M University. I would like to thank the Thurgood Marshall College Fund for extending this opportunity to apply for this scholarship, not only for me, but also to likewise disadvantaged African American students. My education will benefit me by giving me the means to stand as a financially independent individual. This seems to be a very simple benefit, but this is imperative to me and to my family, not only as a person disadvantaged as an African American individual, but also as an individual on the autism spectrum. So far in my pursuit in obtaining a bachelor's degree in English, it has served to improve my verbal skills, which has been one of the major concerns for myself and to my family. My education will give me the means to gain the financial independence that all people should have the means to gain, but unfortunately do not. Furthermore, the, my education will further lift the concerns off my family's shoulders. I wish to use my education to serve as an example and as a voice for not only African American individuals, but also the individuals who are impeded by mental disorders. I want to show them that people who are neurodivergent can succeed in any field so long as they have the passion to do so. I would like to once again thank the Thurgood Marshall College Fund for this opportunity and any other opportunity that they may extend. Thank you.